Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today's video I will be reviewing African black soap. This is Brightening African black soap. So if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, or if you've got dark spots on your face from pimples or acne, feel free to watch this video. This video is going to help you a lot. So we are going to be talking about the benefits of African black soap in general and why I'm reviewing this particular African black soap. So this African black soap is 250 grams and it's pretty decent. I've been using this for the past 3 months. I just used this for my face, so it's lasted me over 3 months, and it's by the company Le Beau Cosmetique, and this is how it looks like. African Brightening Glow Black Soap. Directions: use twice daily. Morning before you shower, apply this on your face for 5 minutes, shower, then evening time put it on your face for 5 minutes again. If I have acne on my face, it dries out my acne and it gradually evens out my hyperpigmentation and gives me a very smooth skin. So what are the benefits of black soap? According to the research I conducted, it's safe for most skin types. So some of the benefits of black soap, the fact that it's safe for most skin types. So you have to do a patch test on your skin to make sure that the black soap is actually good for the type of skin you have. So it's safe for most skin types. It has antibacterial properties. Which is very good. It may help treat acne. It might also or may also help reduce fine lines. It may reduce the appearance of dark spots, which is what it does for me. It reduces my dark spots, my appearance of my dark spot. It reduces razor bump. So this is not just for women. If you're a guy and you shave, this black soap is very, very good for you. It helps reduce the razor bump. It may help with makeup removal, and it may help reduce the impact of eczema. So if you have eczema, which is something people are born with, and you've tried everything you can but you still have it, try the African black soap. You might never know, it might help reduce your eczema a lot. So the question is, can you use black soap every day? And the answer is yes, you can. Okay, but if you feel that it's drying out your oily skin, use less. Instead of twice a day, use it once daily. Okay, so if you think it's drying out your skin drastically, because African black soap does dry out the skin, so if you are highly oily prone, I think this will be very, very good for you, especially people with oily skin that wants to have a normal dry skin. The black soap will definitely be good for you. So instead of using it twice a day, use it once a day, and that will help reduce your oily. Also, if you have sensitive dry skin, start out by using it only once every day. The second question is, does a black soap lighten the skin? The answer is yes. African black soap has properties that helps brighten the skin whilst maintaining its natural beauty. It works by removing dead skin cells on the skin surface and allows vitamin A, E, and other important nutrients in. So the next question is, how long does it take for black soap to clear the skin? The answer to the question is, black soap is great because it can clear acne, but it's gentle enough for all skin types. We use only the best unrefined shea butter as it has a higher concentration of skin calming anti-inflammatory properties. Additional tips: be patient as black soap can take a few weeks to reach its full effectiveness. So anything that works instantly, just know that there's chemicals in it. When it comes to all these organic African black soap, it might take a few weeks, and be patient, and I'm telling you, you will get the most beautiful, natural looking clear skin ever. The next question is it good to use black soap on your face? Natural antibacterial properties make African black soap an excellent alternative to chemical-laden cleansers. In fact, it may actually remove more bacterial than chemical cleansers do. Despite its strength, black soap is gentle enough to use on your face. Okay, so that is the answer to the question. So despite its strength, the black soap is gentle enough to use for your face. Why does black soap burn my face? That is the most questions or the most unanswered questions out there. Some say in theory it is caused by the soap drawing out impurities and excess cells, and the pH levels of your skin will eventually balance out after a few days. The soap can also cause a tingling and sometimes burning sensation, leading to reddened skin. So this is the answer. I'm going to answer 2 more questions, then we're done. The next question is, does black soap remove stretch marks? The answer is no. It cannot remove stretch marks. However, thanks to the shea butter and vitamin E content, black soap may help reduce the redness overall appearance of stretch marks. So because of the shea butter and vitamin E, it might reduce the redness and overall appearance of your stretch marks, but it does not totally remove your stretch mark. It may also help minimize related itchiness. So the last question that I'm going to answer, can I use black soap on my private area? That's the last question. So the answer is, you should really only use water on your inner labia. Basically, anything with hair you can soap up, but when you get to the pink, just use water and your fingers. So basically, you can use the black soap on your pubic area where the hair grows, but when it gets to the inner labia, please do not put the black soap in there because it might irritate the skin in there. Just use water and your fingers. African black soap can be super harsh. Any cleanser used on the external vulva area should be gentle and soap free. So the answer is nope, 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 nope. Do not use African black soap on your private area. But when you shave your bikini area, you can apply it and it will help reduce razor bump. So hope you viewers did enjoy the Q&A on African black soap, and I've answered most of the questions you viewers wanted to know. So as I initially stated, I will recommend the African Herbal Brightening Black Soap from Lebu Cosmetics, and this is how it looks like. I've been using this for the past 3 months and it's working really well for me. So hope you viewers did enjoy this mini review plus Q&A. I'll see you viewers in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share.